Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. If you're looking for a watch with large numbers and plenty of features like the AE-1600, then this might be the one. Today, we are looking at one of Casio's early 2025 releases, the Casio AE-1600. For the overall appearance, the AE-1600 has a tough, sporty and modern design, making it suitable for both outdoor activities and daily wear. Like the AE-1500, its main attraction is the large display with big, easy-to-read numbers. Additionally, the light button is now positioned at the front. Currently, there are only 3 color options, but Casio usually expands its variants and hopefully make the WHX versions with longer recent bands. The model I'm holding now is the 1AV variant, featuring a black case and a positive display. For the price, as of now, the street price is not yet stable, currently between $30 to $50. I guess it will be just slightly above the AE-1500 series. And I will try to find and include an affiliate link once it's available on Amazon. About the specifications, the case size is large, almost similar to the AE-1500. It is 54.1mm lug to lug, 49.7mm wide, 15.9mm thick, and the weight is only 52 grams. Now about the materials, it has resin case with a matte finish, and then polyurethane resin band that is flexible, and then flat resin or acrylic glass that is not scratch resistant. And then for the water resistance, it's up to 100 meters, so it is safe for swimming and even snorkeling, but not for diving. And then for the battery life, it is up to 10 years with a CR2032 battery. And the calendar is fully automatic until 2099. Now about the modes and features. First is the timekeeping mode. It has 12 and 24-hour format with extra large, easy-to-read numbers. And then the alarm mode. It has 5 multifunction alarms that can be set not just for the time, but also for specific dates and months. Plus a snooze option for alarm number 1. And it also has an hourly signal. And then the countdown timer. It has an up to 24-hour duration, adjustable by the hour and minute, with an auto repeat option. And then for the stopwatch, it has 1/100th of a second accuracy, up to 24-hour capacity with a split time feature. And then lastly, the dual time. It allows setting both hours and minutes separately. Now let's take a closer look, and first is the case. The AE-1600 features a large resin case with a matte finish, giving it a rugged look. It's oversized at nearly 50mm wide, but remains comfortable due to its lightweight design. The bezel has a raised design to protect the display, and the sides also have protrusions to protect the watch and prevent accidental button presses. One thing to note is the use of decorative screw-shaped elements, which some users find less attractive. On the other side, the use of different tone for the base part of the case, giving it an interesting look. Now the backplate. It is made of stainless steel, nearly rectangular in shape, engraved with details. It is secured with 4 screws as usual. And then the resin band. It has a set of wide and thick resin band that enhances the watch's tough look while remaining flexible. The bands are attached seamlessly to the watch body using 18mm spring bars. It is ergonomically designed with ridges underneath to improve airflow and comfort. The strap's angle to the case reduces overhang, making it fit more comfortably on the wrist. And the buckle is plastic but feels sturdy. Now let's talk about the display and backlight. The AE-1600's digital display is similar to its predecessor and remains a key selling point. The large numbers in the middle section make it extremely easy to read, almost like a desk clock, perfect for aging eyes like mine. The top section shows the day, month, and date, and then the lower left corner displays a second animation, while the bottom section indicates alarm 1 until 5. Overall, it's easy to read at normal angles. Some say that the AE-1500 has better contrast, but since my AE-1500 has a negative display, I honestly can't make a fair comparison. And now about the backlight, there are two LED lights positioned at the bottom left and right, effectively illuminate the display. The placement helps with visibility in the dark. It features an afterglow effect where the screen stays lit briefly after pressing, although we cannot adjust the length. Now about the buttons. The AE1600 has 3 side buttons: adjust, mode, and start. The buttons are cylindrical, large in diameter, with a chrome finish, stylish and premium looking. The great news is that the light button has been moved to the front, making it more user-friendly and easy to operate. Button responsiveness is good, not too stiff, not too soft, but there's one thing to note: unlike most AE series models, this watch does not have a mute or silent mode. Next, about comfort and durability. Despite its large size, the AE1600 remains comfortable thanks to its well-balanced weight distribution. The resin strap is comfortable for long-term wear. However, due to its oversized dimensions, it may not suit everyone and could be tricky to wear under long sleeves. About the durability, it has 100 meters water resistance and 10-year battery life, which is great. However, the body is not made of shock-proof material like G-Shock. The resin glass is prone to scratches, but if we refer to our experience with the AE1500s, this model should also still fairly durable. Next, about the pros and cons. On the positive side, number 1, it has a large display with easy-to-read numbers. And then number 2, it has slide button placed at the front bottom for easy access. And then number 3, it has effective dual LED backlight. Number 4, it has sporty and modern design suitable for various activities. Number 5, it has 10-year battery life and 100 meters water resistance. Number 6, it has thick, strong yet comfortable resin band. And 7, it has great value for its size and features, including 5 alarms, snooze, and a countdown timer with auto repeat. On the other side, there are also things you might want to consider. Number 1, it uses resin glass that is prone to scratches. And then number 2, it is oversized, may not suit for everyone. Number 3, it lacks world time and silent mode, unlike most of AE series models. And number 4, as of this review, only 3 color options are available. In summary, the Casio AE1600 is a large-sized, rugged, and sporty digital watch with a front-positioned light button and, most importantly, excellent readability. With 5 multifunction alarms, including a snooze, and a countdown timer with auto repeat, it's a great fit for many users. However, please keep in mind that it won't be as tough as a G-Shock. And if you prefer a slim profile and subtle styling, this watch might not be the one for you. Thank you for watching. I hope this review is helpful. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.